Australian Textiles Manufacturing Malaysia, in collaboration with Upcycle for Better, takes pride in introducing our school textile awareness program, available to all schools across Malaysia. Upcycle for Better warmly greeted 155 students from Nobel International School to Malaysia's only ISO-accredited zero-waste textile recovery facility. All students have been pre-assigned to groups, and the day commences with a comprehensive safety briefing. The initial group of students embarks on a tour, gaining insights into the process of recording and optimizing textiles. The students are guided to the conveyor and the sorting table, where they'll witness meticulous sorting of textiles into over 560 different categories based on their next best use. Our knowledgeable guide demonstrates the transformation of absorbent textiles deemed unsuitable for reuse, illustrating how they are processed and converted into cleaning cloth. Finally, the students are led to the Upcycle for Better workshop, where the prolongation of textile life is done through upcycling and mechanical separation. This section also highlights the restoration and repair of shoes, bags, and leather goods. An interactive quiz, crafted by the teachers, challenges students on their general knowledge of textiles recycling and promotes behavioural change. The No-Sew workshop goes beyond transforming a t-shirt into a tote bag. It educates the students on water footprint of the daily items and emphasises their role in reducing consumption. Each student completes a pre-session questionnaire expressing their initial thoughts on textile recovery, and at the end of the session, they provide feedback to gauge the knowledge gained. Following the educational sessions, each group engages in an Upcycle for Better textile discussion, addressing questions and reinforcing the importance of prolonging the life of clothing. In preparation for the visit, students were informed to bring their old clothes and textiles for recycling in the Upcycle for Better textile bin. A visit to the Best Bundle store offered students the opportunity to purchase clothes and toys at reduced rates, fostering an understanding that used items still possess value. With a capacity for 160 people, our canteen prepared lunch, taking into consideration dietary restrictions of both students and teachers. The students were then taken to see the world's largest bumblebee sculpture, symbolising the transformation of textiles one t-shirt at a time. This was followed by a photo opportunity at the end of the day. Before boarding the bus to say goodbye, students were greeted by our in-house textile transformers. Our objective extends beyond diverting textiles from landfills. We aim to instigate behavioural change within the community, especially amongst the leaders of tomorrow. Every precaution has been implemented to guarantee the safety of the students and to deliver an engaging and educational experience. For more information on how your school or community can participate, kindly reach out to the contact details shown on screen. We look forward to hearing from you.